Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Hey, Wagwan, blessed, you know? Manners and respect to each and every one. In my point of view, there's always something that you can talk about on social media. You see me? And these are people. So, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a person doing something that I think is dangerous. What I saw a person doing in this video is a big risk, and no one should never do anything like that. So the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show a person riding a bicycle while the person's two hands was holding something that was on the person's head. See? So think about it, people. If the person's two hands are hold something that is on the person's head while the person was on a bicycle that is in motion, what about the handle or the handling of the bicycle? But people, take a look at this. Do not do anything like this. Viewer discretion is advised before this video. Observe with me.
Good skin.
Hold on, people, hold on. Me notice me say what some people might call speed bump in a part of that type of roadway there. I mean, so the person was somehow able to pass what some people might call a speed bump in a certain way. What if strong wind somehow blew while the person had do all of that? Look at the width of the thing where the person said, all them things there. But people, what that person had done, I know that some persons might find it amusing, but at the same time, what the person had done, not only put the person's self in danger, but it put other persons at risk because that are out in the public in my point of view. So I saw a video that shows some things that happened between two persons that made me wonder if the situation is of a real situation or not. Because one of those pieces of videos that I saw shows some things that happened when one person who was holding an object that is believed to be a type of knife was behaving certain ways towards someone, and that person who was holding the object that is believed to be a type of knife at one point hit the person more than one time, and that person who the person hit did not have any weapon at that point. However, the other piece of video that I saw shows some things that happened when the person who was not holding any weapon and had been hit by someone more than one time was holding an object. The video shows when the person swing the object towards someone. And in my point of view, and based on what I saw in that piece of video, the person hit the person at least once with that object. Very subscribers, in my point of view, whosoever hit whosoever first was wrong and is at fault. However, don't do anything that can put yourself in trouble with the law. But at the same time, I'm wondering if this is of a real situation or not. And even if the situation is of a real situation or not, some things obviously happen in those pieces of videos I don't agree with. Some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for these pieces of videos. Observe with me.
What happened, man? What happened, man?
Make him stand.
Man, kill man.
Move here now. We are left him. Make him stand.
Hello, go on now, go on, excitement on now.
Nobody kill him.
King can't go, you God, yeah. Oh, you know idiot. Work for nothing. Roman family. God, you know. Then make it come on, make it come on. Puma.
So in my point of view,
We all take come and go and suffer.
that just look bad. That just really look bad right now. Here's the next piece of video.
You remember telling me?
You done. You done.
None. Look your blood.
Good, very good.
Man, you
You're very good. Man, you want. We not run from you now. We not run.
Body, body!
My people, from my little youth, my parents tell me, say, don't play with knife. And me know me hear more than one person say, what is joke to you is to frag. Alright, we don't want to say certain words, but the thing about it is, though, my people, see, I think I hear laughter in at least one of these pieces of videos. The thing overall, though, that I've been thinking is certain things that they had done. Oh, I think that there was at least one person there who was trying to de-escalate the situation a certain type of way. But yeah, I also saw another piece of video where certain words was being said, and that also made me wonder if the situation is of a real situation or not. Even if it is not, then in my point of view, the things that they had done, no, I don't think it is safe. No, sir, I don't think it's safe. I don't think it is safe, but it happened. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when one person who was holding an object that is believed to be a knife was behaving unfriendly towards at least one person. And the video shows at least one person who was doing certain things to de-escalate the situation. Now, for your subscribers, I didn't get any confirmed information to determine where the video was recorded. I didn't get any confirmed information to determine what might have caused that type of situation. I am not able to even understand what they were saying because of whatsoever language that those persons were using. However, I do get the understanding that one person we can see in the video and was holding an object that is believed to be a knife did certain things that made me assume that the person had the intention to attack at least one person we can see in the video, but there was at least one person there who did certain things to de-escalate the situation. You can also see persons pushing each other in this video, viewers and subscribers. If you're able to understand what the situation might be about, leave a comment or comments and let me know. And some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Llame a la policía, ¿a qué le llevar? Wait.
Person behind the person. Every time that person move, watch out again.
Llame a la policía, por favor. ¿Cómo que anda atrás? Allá, Leo. Tú eres papá de cosas, ya tú venga, internazo que me lo dijiste. Mentira tuya. En la policía. ¿Por qué te llama la policía? Yo te hallo solo a ti. Por ella te vas a matar. Jesús del diablo. Venga, jefe. Se va por ella. ¿Qué tipo de diablo? Coño, mira cómo está $50,000 y $300,000. Hacen una demanda. Una demanda. ¿Qué hay que matarte? ¿Usted conoce que va a mi casa? Usted me está abusando porque yo soy cristiano. ¿Qué hay que matarte? ¿Con quién gritando de diablo? ¿Tú no quieres el diablo, coño? ¿Qué hay que matarte, coño?
Big man that number people. Big man, that grown person should be setting some examples of peace, love and them thing there, unity. Anyways, when it comes down to a situation like that though, still Zane, one of the best advice that I can give is contact the police. Once you see a person have some form of object or behave certain ways, you may never know what the person I think. And going in between that person or the situation can put someone's life at risk. So contact the police, let the police deal with that. But people, take a look at this video that shows a truck at a very bad position, viewing subscribers, because in my point of view, this video shows a truck that was somewhat at a damaged part of a road, and the truck was not moving. So me ask my people, now, when we present the video to you, I want to pay attention to certain things about this video and so forth. So I want you to pay attention to at least one side of the truck, that they are the part of the road, the damage and all them things there. So I just pay attention to what you can see. I don't have any confirmed information to determine where the video will record. Be careful out there. Be careful out there. See, just be careful. There are so much things to look out for. Just be careful. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Where is that? All right.
Now, if what I'm seeing in this video is accurate, because sometimes, videos can post certain ways. So, based on what we see in the video here, so, and based on how Jamaican motorists drive in the country of Jamaica, or based on which hand of the road Jamaican motorists drive in the country of Jamaica, it makes me wonder how the truck end up in such a position, or at that spot. But overall though, something wrong with that part of the road there right there, some people. I think here's where I'm going to leave it, and also big up and respect to each and every one. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.